Alright, so this is the module 2 of the project 1, and in this video we will covering steps from 1 through 5. So firstly it is saying that Titus Allison is a loan officer of the is adding formatting unless he use the track interest rate, change the theme of the workbook to office. So let's change the theme of the workbook. So for this we should go to the page layout tab, and there is themes, and we should click on the drop down, and here is the different theme. So we are told to select office theme. So number 1 is done, so let's go to the step 2. Switch to the mortgage worksheet. Okay, we switched, and then format the heading, merge and center the range A1 through D1. So A1, I hold the shift key, and then click mouse at D1, so it will select all, or you can just click here and drag your mouse through D1. Apply FM heading cell style to the merged cell. So it is saying merge and center. So let's go to the home tab, and there is the merge and center option, and it is saying which heading, uh, FM heading cell style alert. So we can find our styles here, and it is saying FM heading cell styles alert. So this is done. Now merge and center the range A2 through D2. So A2 through D2, merge and center, apply FM subheading. So it is the same steps. Merge and center, and then apply the subheading styles. So this is the subheading. So let's go to the step 4. Format the effective date information for range A4 through B4. So A4 through B4, apply the note cell style. Let's say it must be somewhere around here. Hmm. Oh, here is the note cell style. Alright. And then it is saying for the cell A4, apply italic to the text and align right. So A4, apply the italic style, um, and then align to the right. So we should just click here. Oh, align right here. I did here. This will convert text into the italics, and then here it will take to the right. Mm. And then it is saying for the cell B4, okay, change the change the date format to day dash month dash year. So for this, we can see here number group. Just click in this expand icon, and then drag down, and here is our required format. So just hit OK, and it is done. Alright, we're towards the end of the video. So these are final step. Format the mortgage rate table for the heading in A6 through D6. Center and bold the text. So firstly, let's do that. A6 through D6. So from here we can center the text and bold it. After that, it is saying then change the font color to blue gray. Text to fourth column of first row. So fourth column of first row. So this is 1 2 3 4, fourth column of first row. Okay, this will be the this will be our required fourth column first row. And merge and center the range A7 through A9. So A7 through A9. Merge and center. So yeah, that's it for the step 5. We will continue from the next step in another video. So yeah, thank you.